Are you ready to unlock the full potential of AI and transform the way you work, create, and live? In today's video, we're diving deep into the essential AI tools everyone should know in 2025. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur, content creator, or just someone who loves productivity hacks, these tools will save you hours and help you achieve more than you ever thought possible. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a useful AI hacks video. We drop new videos every day at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, packed with the latest AI trends and tips. Let's start with a tool that's become a household name, ChatGPT, but not just any version. OpenAI's ChatGPT-4o. If you haven't tried it yet, you're missing out on one of the most versatile AI assistants ever created. ChatGPT-4 can help you brainstorm ideas, write emails, summarize articles, code, and even analyze data. The new model is faster and more intuitive, and it now supports image uploads. Imagine snapping a photo of a chart or a handwritten note and having ChatGPT instantly analyze and explain it. No more endless Google searches or flipping through textbooks, but that's just the beginning. ChatGPT-4 can help you draft blog posts, scripts, social media captions, or even entire books. It can role play as a customer, interviewer, or even a language tutor, making it an invaluable tool for both work and personal growth. And if you're worried about privacy or data security, OpenAI has introduced new features that let you manage your data and control who can access your conversations. So, whether you're a student needing research help, a business owner automating customer support, or a creative looking for inspiration, ChatGPT-4o is your go-to AI companion. Stick around, because up next, we're covering AI tools that will revolutionize your creative workflow. Design used to be a skill reserved for professionals, but not anymore. Canva's Magic Studio Suite brings AI-powered design to everyone, no matter your experience level. With Magic Design, you can generate stunning templates for presentations, social media posts, posters, and more. Just describe what you want, and Canva's AI will create it in seconds. Magic Write helps you craft compelling copy, while Magic Edit lets you tweak images, change backgrounds, remove objects, or enhance colors with a single click. For content creators, this means you can produce professional quality graphics, videos, and animations without hiring a designer or spending hours learning complicated software. Small business owners can quickly create marketing materials, event flyers, and branded content. Educators can design engaging lesson plans and worksheets. The possibilities are endless. And with Canva's collaboration features, you and your team can work together in real time, making it easy to brainstorm, edit, and finalize projects from anywhere. But what if you spend most of your day in meetings? Our next AI tool will help you reclaim your time and never miss a detail again. Meetings are a fact of life, but taking notes doesn't have to be. Otter.ai is an AI-powered note taker that automatically transcribes your meetings, highlights key points, and even summarizes action items. Simply invite Otter.ai to your Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams call, and it will capture everything. After the meeting, you'll get a searchable transcript, complete with speaker identification and highlights. You can jump to any section, share notes with your team, and even export summaries for quick follow-up. Otter.ai's AI is smart enough to pick out important decisions, deadlines, and tasks, so you'll never miss a critical detail. It's a game changer for remote teams, students, journalists, and anyone who wants to focus on the conversation instead of frantic note-taking. And with mobile apps, you can use Otter.ai on the go recording interviews, lectures, or brainstorming sessions wherever you are. Next, let's talk about writing. Whether you're crafting emails, reports, or social media posts, This next AI tool will make you sound like a pro. Grammarly has been a favorite for years, but its AI capabilities have reached new heights. Grammarly's AI checks your grammar, spelling, punctuation, clarity, and even your tone in real time. But it doesn't stop there. Grammarly now offers advanced suggestions for style, conciseness, and engagement. It can help you rewrite awkward sentences, suggest better vocabulary, and even tailor your writing for different audiences. Whether you're drafting a business proposal, a casual email, or a creative story, the new Grammarly Go feature lets you generate entire paragraphs or emails from short prompts. It can summarize long documents, translate text, and even help you brainstorm ideas. For teams, Grammarly Business offers collaboration tools, analytics, and style guides to ensure consistent communication across your organization. Ready to automate your workflow and eliminate repetitive tasks? Our next AI tool connects your favorite apps and makes your life easier. Zapier has long been the king of workflow automation, but its new AI integrations take things to the next level. Zapier lets you connect thousands of apps like Gmail, Slack, Trello, Google Sheets, and more so you can automate repetitive tasks without any coding. With AI, you can now build smarter workflows. For example, you can set up a Zap that automatically saves email attachments to Google Drive, sends a notification to Slack, and logs the details in a spreadsheet, all triggered by a single email. Zapier's AI can also analyze data, summarize information, and even generate reports on the fly. It's perfect for entrepreneurs, marketers, project managers, and anyone who wants to focus on creative work instead of manual tasks. And with the new Zapier Canvas, you can visually map out complex workflows, making automation more accessible than ever. But wait, there's more. Here are a few bonus AI tools that are making waves in 2025. Notion AI. Notion's AI features help you organize your notes, manage projects, and generate content. Notion AI can summarize meeting notes, draft blog posts, and even create databases from your instructions. Descript. For podcasters and video editors, Descript uses AI to transcribe, edit, and enhance audio and video files. You can edit your content just by editing the text transcript, and Descript's AI can remove filler words, add music, and even clone your voice for quick fixes. Midjourney and DALL-E. For visual creators, Midjourney and DALL-E generate stunning images and artwork from text prompts. Whether you need illustrations, concept art, or unique graphics for your brand, these AI tools make it possible in seconds. Perplexity AI. If you need research done fast, Perplexity AI is an AI-powered search assistant that summarizes web results, answers questions, and finds sources instantly. Tome. For presentations, Tome uses AI to generate slides, text, and images based on your topic. Just describe what you want, and Tome builds a beautiful, engaging presentation for you. Let's recap the essential AI tools everyone should know in 2025. ChatGPT-4o for brainstorming, research, and conversation. Canva Magic Studio for design and content creation. Otter.ai for meeting notes and transcription. Grammarly for writing and editing. Zapier for workflow automation. Plus bonus tools like Notion AI, Descript, Midjourney, DALL-E, Perplexity AI, and Tome. These tools aren't just futuristic, they're essential for anyone who wants to work smarter, not harder. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or lifelong learner, integrating these AI hacks into your daily routine will help you get ahead and stay ahead. If you found these hacks useful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a daily useful AI hacks video every day at 11 a.m. Pacific time. Which AI tool will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you have a favorite AI hack we didn't mention, share it with the community. We would love to make a future video about it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.